Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Bybit application using your iOS device. If you want to clear out the cache data on your Bybit application, then the process is quite straightforward. Open your Bybit application and also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are signed in, you'll be able to see this interface. To clear out cache data on Bybit, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. And from the list, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, swipe down and tap on Clear Cache. And then, right where it says Are you sure? Click on OK in order to clear your cache data from your Bybit application. Once you make that change, you'll be able to clear out or wipe out the cache files for your Bybit application. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.